The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that is a nice ring.
Yo, what's good guys? Today's the day we're gonna install Z1 Motorsport long tube intakes, but we also got these things. I would highly suggest these. It's called Filterware. And what they do is, since like this is gonna be the front, obviously when you're driving in the rain, water in the intake isn't good. I know a lot of people run it, but I don't feel safe with it. So let me take this off so I can show you what it looks like. So you go to their website and you basically measure the cone and you put the size in, and they have it like exactly shaped to your cones. So they size this, this, and that, and basically get this. It's like a condom for your cones.
And the reason why we're doing it is because this grill is not going to be there.
Yeah.
It's going to be, we got the mesh grill, I believe it's called. We got the mesh grill, so you know, more openness.
Not the carbon one, because we wanted to get it painted. That's why.
And because we're poor.
So right now we're gonna start taking this off. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
I'm glad that you can open up, you got a friend in me. And when I listen to you talk, it's like a melody. Now hear me out, keep G.O.D. inside your heart to block the enemy. Cause jealousy will come to snatch up all your energy. Oh, my charisma got her smiling like in every word. He said I'm not like other guys she ever seen or heard. I'm not a chatterbox, I try to flex, I hold it down. I know my presence a hit different cause I'm not a clown. Cause I'm from the east side, that's right. Rosa NYC, that's the best side. And you know I'm outside, south side. Queens get the money, you know that's right. If she wanna catch a vibe with the lights low, we can drive through my hood, we can go slow. I can show you all the things you've been missing. Can we start with living life, not existing? Am I delusional? Or am I losing you? I like it when you...
One eternity later.
Since it's the long tube headers, we have to take out the front bumper so we have access on the front. I took out all the things. Just if you don't know how to take it off, just look up a video. I don't think I know how to take it off myself. Like I said, I don't know how to take it off myself.
I think you got it. Oh yeah, don't forget you have to take this out too. The center thingy. I totally know my stuff about cars. Totally. Thank you. I appreciate that. As you can see, we take care of our shit.
Of course. Stuck on something.
Yeah. It's probably the zip ties, I'm telling you.
There's no zip ties.
Oh no, you just lift it up, lift it up.
No, this side is stuck on. Just hold that side.
Okay, I got you.
Oh, just zip tie, bro. Alright, for now, I don't know if you're gonna need to move the horn or not, but just so it's not on like in the way, I'm gonna take it off and put it to the side. Alright guys, ignore the mess, but I'm gonna explain where everything goes and how to put it on. So the sensor, you take it out of the stock box. There's two Phillips head, but you don't have to use the Phillips head that come with the stock box. They provide you their own, and it's already on the pipe itself. So unscrew it and put the sensor in, and then screw it in. And the way you tell which side goes on which side is the sensor is always on the bottom. So you hold the pipe. If the sensor is on the bottom, this means this is on the right side. See it like that, it goes on the right side. And the sensor is hidden. I know the Stillen one is on top, right? Yeah.
No, it's on the side, but yeah.
Ish. Oh yeah, you see it, but this one you don't see it, which is cool. And it comes with two couplers. These are the one that goes through this spot right here. What else? It comes with a bunch of clamps, obviously for the couplers and the pipes. It also comes with two bolts and two washers. I will figure out where that goes in a bit. And obviously comes with two cones. And these is gonna be simple. The one that looks like a P-ish goes on the left side, and the one that's like this goes on the right side. Pretty simple. So, oh, also, wait. You're gonna have to use the old clamps from the old pipes. So that's about it. I'm gonna transfer these clamps to these, and I'll put this on first.
Rockin' natural hair is beautiful, but when you're goofy, really, I don't care, it's suitable. I find it hard that anybody can get used to you. Girl, you got some toxic traits like everyone do. I know you gonna work on them and try to get through, but you see what it's like to rock in anyone's shoes. A heart like it's the world will always try to misuse. She's like, where you come from? New York. Tell me where you be. Queens. You really a nice guy. I'm from Southside. Come kick it with me. In the east, cause I'm from the east side. That's right. Rosa NYC, that's the best side.
2 seconds later.
So one thing we came across is, as you can see on this side, this thing moves around. We're gonna take that off. It wasn't on that side. I think the last owner took it off, never put it back on. But to take that out, there's the clip right here. You squeeze this and that comes out. All right guys, I'm gonna explain a little more stuff because it was kind of complicated-ish. So a lot of people, what they do is this part of the body, well, the frame, there's like plastic part, they trim around it so there's no kink in it, because right now there's a little bit of kink because people want the full airflow in there. But you don't have to do it. You could if you want. Pretty sure in the future we'll take it off and redo it.
The reason why is because Z1, the reason why they made this, I believe, I don't know what material it is, but they made this material just so you won't have to
cut anything.
So it flexes and fits perfectly.
Yep. And so this part is kind of like you need two person definitely. So one person pushes it and the other person kind of guides it into it. Use like WD-40, some sort of lubricant, so it slips on. And other than that, everything's pretty simple.
If you want to use the Getaway, we use Windex.
Yeah. Oh, one more thing. The bash bar foam.
If you have it.
If you have it, yeah, it's like something like that. So this has to be cut, and we cut it. Now that I think about it, you could do it without cutting it, but it'd be a lot of work when you're pushing it.
Yeah.
So no one needs this.
Regardless, we just need the bar. We don't need that little extra part.
You die. But yeah, that should be it. And you got like put the bumper on. Make sure like this is not hitting this. If it is, push it in more. Just work with it, I guess.
And you know I'm outside, Southside. Queens get the money, you know that's right. If you wanna catch a vibe with the lights low, we can drive to my hood, we can go slow. I can show you all the things you've been missing. Can we start with living life, not existing? Cause I'm from the east side, that's right. Rosa NYC, that's the best side. And she know I'm outside, Southside. Queens get the money, you know that's right. If she wanna catch a vibe with the lights low, we can drive to my hood, we can go slow. I can show you all the things you've been missing. Can we start with living life, not existing?
Alright guys, we just finished both sides, lined it up. This is resting on this, so it won't rattle. It's just there. And yeah, as you can see, the net's on, plugged in everything, made sure all the clamps are tight. Now we're just putting the cover back on, and we'll put the bumper back on, we'll be done. Alright guys, we're done with everything, we put everything back together. After putting it back, we ran it for a bit, we went for a drive and everything, to see if everything's okay or not. Everything's fine, it's running fine. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around what it looks like. Shiny. Shiny. And funny story about the grill. Well, I'll let you explain it.
The reason why we haven't put on the grill yet is because this bumper is a piece of shit. You gotta change it, so I already ordered a new bumper. There's no point in me putting
not that. A lot of people don't know the main story.
What main story? Oh, go for it.
I know you guys saw that video where we went all the way to PA to pick up the IPL bumper, the fiberglass one. We dropped it at the body shop with the mesh grill. He was supposed to paint it, put it together. He did some jank stuff where he cut the grill.
He cut the tabs off the grill. So now I can't even slap it on this.
So yeah. So what we did was it Outcast Garage?
Oh yeah, shout out to Outcast
Garage. We ordered their bumper, which is, the top part is a G37 bumper and the bottom part is a Q50 bumper. Together, we'll throw a picture right here. So when that comes, we're gonna paint that and tell the new paint guy to put the grill and the bumper together. And then
we know he can do it.
Yeah, you know, then you'll be able to see the filters and stuff like that. But right now, everything's running right. No issues. You could barely see them, but it's there. It's working. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And peace out.